Hello friends, welcome back to channel NEET. In today's class, we are going to understand about the photosynthetic pigment that are involved in diatoms. Now we are going to see how this structure perform photosynthesis and what are the pigments involved in this particular structure. So let us now understand that how diatoms perform the function of photosynthesis, what are the chemical component that is present in diatoms with respect to photosynthesis. Diatoms can perform photosynthesis due to presence of photosynthetic pigment. So as you know that chlorophyll is one of the photosynthetic pigment that is going to help for the process of conversion of light energy into the chemical energy. So the first pigment what we can write here is the first is chlorophyll. A. It also shows the presence of chlorophyll C. Third, it also shows the presence of yellow brown colored carotenoids which are called as fucoxanthin, which is yellow brown in color, which is could be written as beta 1,3 glucan. Let us see the fourth point. It is because of fucoxanthin that they get characteristic color that is golden brown algae, and it is because of fucoxanthin that it has an potential for storing food in the form of fat and oils, but they have some specific name. We will see what are the specific name with respect to the fat and oil. So now you are already aware that the fucoxanthin is going to give you a characteristic color, and also it is going to store the food in the form of fat and oils. They have some specific name. We'll try to understand their specific name now. So the food is reserved in oil forms and chrysolamarine or chrysolamarine, which is also known as leucocene. Let us now revise the photosynthetic property that we can make out in diatoms. Diatoms perform photosynthesis. They are going to show you some photosynthetic pigment that are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, and there is an yellow brown colored carotenoids, and they have given a specific name that is known as fucoxanthin. Now this fucoxanthin becomes very important, which is also known as beta 1,3 glucan. Now fucoxanthin has a characteristic that it is going to store food in some of the forms, okay, and fucoxanthin is the one which is going to give them the color which is known as brown, okay. So the food material what they are going to store is finally in the form of oils, which you can make out here, and also in the form of fats, and oil which they are going to store will be in the form of chrysolamarine. This word again becomes important, and also which is known as leucocene. So this is something which is going to store the food in this particular form. Now there is a very important point with respect to that we have covered, is that they generally float on water. These diatoms have an property of passively flowing on water. Let us see what exactly is the reason. As you already know that the reserve food material is in the form of oil. So because of presence of oils and chrysolamarine, they can easily float on water. Therefore they could also called as planktons, since they are passive floaters. Please remember this point as well. So we'll stop up here today. I hope you have understood today's topic. Hope to see you in next video. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye.